and good morning, everybody. Miss Erin here for Wee Wednesday. Woohoo! Oh, I'm so excited that you're joining me here this morning, whether it's live on Facebook or if you're watching the pre-recorded version on Facebook or YouTube. We're so happy to see you. Well, it is a new month, so that means we have a new songbook. Our February songbook is linked in a comment on Facebook and in the description on YouTube. And our theme for this month is friendship. And just like always for our virtual Wee Wednesdays, this is your guide for all of our songs and everything this month. So you can practice the songs in between the weeks. And it also lets you know which instrument we'll be using each week. So this morning, February 3rd, we will be using egg shakers. And if you don't have an egg shaker that looks like this, there's so many different things you could use at home. You could use a jar with some rice in it, a tub of oatmeal would work, or if you have like maracas or shakers, something like that would work as well. I also want to highlight we have a caregiver resource in the back that we encourage y'all to check out as well. Okay, we have another exciting announcement that y'all may have seen on email or on social media that the Children's Museum were offering Valentine take and make kits. And in these kits, we have a bunch of different art components that you can use to create your very own mobile. So let me grab my example over here. This is one that Miss Colleen made, and I made one also that you can see pictures of on social media. And so we have a lot of different little activities in here that will be fun for little hands, and then you can use them to put together and make your very own mobile. So we want these to look, really different, unique. You can use ours as inspiration, but just, go wild with it and make it your own. So you can purchase these on Shopify. We have it linked in a comment on Facebook and the description on YouTube. Supplies are limited for them, so we encourage you to buy it now before reservations close next Tuesday. Alrighty then. So without further ado, let's sing our Hello Friends song. Can you salute with me? Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. It's time to say hello. Hi, friends. Okay, so new month. It means we got a whole new slate of songs, right? But we got to grab our shaker first. So it's time to grab your shaker. It's time to grab your shaker. It's time to grab your shaker today. It's time to grab your shaker. Oh, give that a big shake. Great. All right, are you ready for our new songs with our shaker? Okay, for this first song, we're gonna stand up, all right? It's called You Play Your Instrument. And so we're gonna walk around while playing our instrument, and then when it's time to stop, we're gonna stop, okay? Sound good? All right, I'm gonna hide my stop sign back here. You ready? Play your instrument and you keep on walking. Play your instrument and you keep on walking. Play your instrument and you keep on walking. Play your instrument and stop. You stop. Freeze, freeze. Uh-oh, I shook it. Freeze. All right, shake it out, 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 shake it out. Okay, you ready to try that one again? Play your instrument and you keep on walking. Play your instrument and you keep on walking. Play your instrument and you keep on walking. Play your instrument and stop. Freeze. All right, shake it all out. Shake it all out. Shake it all out. Great job, guys. Great job. Okay, our next song, I know, is one that probably a lot of y'all are familiar with it, but it's been a long time since we've done it. It's called The More We Get Together, okay? So we're just gonna kind of keep the beat, shake with me, but then we'll do long shake out and long shake in. Practice that, long shake out, long shake in. Great. The more we get together, together, together. together. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Great job. Great job. All right. And our last instrument song for this morning is called Shake, Shake Your Shaker. It's Tap, Tap Your Rhythm Sticks in the songbook, but we're going to mix up the words a little bit for our instrument this morning. Okay, so can you shake it for me? Can you shake it 1, 2, 3? Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. Great job. All right, and this song goes like this. Shake, shake your shaker, oh 1, 2, 3. Shake, shake your shaker, now shake along with me. We'll shake and shake and shake some more. We'll shake until we hit the floor. Shake, shake your shaker with me. Ooh-wee! Okay, can you shake your shaker softly? Can you do it soft? Really quiet. Shh. All right. Shake, shake your shaker so soft. Shh, shh. Shake, shake your shaker so soft. We'll shake and shake so softly now, don't worry, 'cause we all know how. Shake, shake your shaker so soft. Shh, shh. Can you shake your shaker loudly? Can you shake it loud like me? Loud. All right. Shake, shake your shaker so loud, so loud. Shake, shake your shaker so loud, so loud. We'll shake and shake so loudly now, don't worry, 'cause we all know how. Shake, shake your shaker so loud, so loud. All right, let's start quiet. Now get louder, 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 louder. One last shake, and stop. All right, friends, it's time to put the shakers away, shakers away, shakers away. Time to put the shakers away. Put them away for another day. Great job, friends. And now we're going to do our felt play for this morning. So let's go check it out. For our felt play this morning, we're going to say hi to our friend Marco the polar bear again and review our colors. Marco the polar bear, as white as the snow, sat on the ice where the cold waters flow. Lunch, I need lunch, he said. I'll make a wish. He stuck in his paw and pulled out a fish. What color is it? Green, a green fish. Marco the polar bear, as white as the snow, sat on the ice where the cold waters flow. Lunch, I need lunch, he said. I'll make a wish. He stuck in his paw and came up with a fish. What color is it? Purple, a purple fish. We got our purple fish and our green fish. Marco the polar bear, as white as the snow, sat on the ice where the cold waters flow. Lunch, I need lunch, he said. I'll make a wish. He stuck in his paw and came up with a fish. What color is it? Red, a red fish. Put the red fish next to our green fish. Marco the polar bear, as white as the snow, sat on the ice where the cold waters flow. Lunch, I need lunch, he said. I'll make a wish. He stuck in his paw and came up with a fish. What color is it? Orange. Got an orange fish. Put our orange fish below our red fish. Looks like we've got how many fish left in our pond? Just one fish left. Marco the polar bear, as white as the snow, sat on the ice where the cold waters flow. Lunch, I need lunch, he said. I'll make a wish. He stuck in his paw and came up with a fish. What color is it? Yeah, this is a yellow fish. All right, let's put our yellow fish down here. And let's count how many fish Marco caught. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marco caught 5 fish. All right, I hope you enjoyed this felt play this morning, and now we're gonna head back over to our other set for some movement songs.
I hope you're ready to sing this morning. Our first song is called Come Along and Sing With Me. And first verse, we're gonna clap. The second verse, we're gonna stretch. And the third verse, we're gonna march. Are you ready? Come along and clap with me, clap with me, clap with me. Come along and clap with me on this happy morning. Remember, it's stretch next. Come along and stretch with me, stretch with me, stretch with me. Come along and stretch with me on this happy morning. Last verse is march. Ready to march? Come along and march with me, march with me, march with me. Come along and march with me on this happy morning. Our next song is going to be My Friends Go Marching. Here we go. My friends go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. My friends go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. My friends go marching one by one. We clap our hands and we all have fun, and we all go marching around and around and around till we sit down. And the last one we're going to do today is not a song, it's a finger play. So we're going to use our hands, and our arm today is going to be the hill. It's called Up the Hill. So here's the hill right here, and the first animal that's going to go up our hill today is a turtle. So you make your turtle, here's his shell, and there's his little head with your knuckle, and turtles move fast or slow? If you said slow, you're right. They move very slowly. And so some people would say they creep along because they move slowly. So your turtle is going to move up the hill, creeping, creeping, so slowly creeping, creeping all the way up the hill. The next animal that's going to go up the hill is a bunny rabbit. So you make your bunny rabbit with your 2 little ears. And bunny rabbits like to do what? Hop. They do. So the bunny rabbit's going to hop up the hill. Boing, 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 all the way up the hill. And the next animal is going to be a snake. And they like to slither all the way up the hill. So he's slithering all the way up the hill. Oh, he bumped into a rock that was at the top of the hill, and he knocked the rock loose. And the rock goes boom, 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 crash all the way down the hill. So I hope you had fun with that. We are reading our story today with permission from Houghton Mifflin Harcourt Books for Young Readers. If you are joining us live, then you will be able to hear the story. Due to publisher restrictions, this read aloud cannot be left up on a public page. If you're watching a recording of this program on Facebook or YouTube, we encourage you to check out this book from the York County Library.
Hey friends, I hope that y'all enjoyed that story. Just wanted to make sure that any of our friends that joined us a little bit later in the program, missed the beginning, heard that we are offering these Valentine making cake kits where you can build a mobile. There's also a Skittles science experiment in there. And we have the link to purchase those in a Facebook comment and also on the YouTube video description. So check it out. We want to see what you guys make at home. All right, friends, it is that time of the morning. It's time for us to say goodbye. Thanks so much for joining us. I had a blast this morning, and I hope that y'all enjoyed that story as well. So to say goodbye, we wave like this, okay? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends.